This brand is from Train Technologies and is sold by factory-authorized dealers in the USA and Canada. All of their units have a durable appliance-grade finish as well as rust-resistant screws to keep the units looking good for many years. They use all aluminum spine-fin coils that are efficient at transferring heat and highly resistant to corrosion, but they are harder to keep clean, which can lower overall system performance. The brand features durable stainless steel heat exchangers and burners which resist corrosion, but the warranty on the heat exchangers is not as good as other brands. The silver 13.4 units use full louvered metal panel construction to protect the condenser coil from mechanical damage. They combine a single-stage air conditioner with a single-stage 81% AFUE gas furnace and have a basic single-speed blower motor. The premium Gold 15 models have two-stage 15C air cooling with two-stage 81% AFUE gas heating and a variable speed blower for enhanced comfort and efficiency, while the Ultimate Gold 15 hybrid models combine a 7.45 HSPF2 two-stage heat pump with a two-stage 81% AFUE gas furnace. The Gold 15 and Gold 15 hybrid models use a plastic coil guard instead of louvered metal panels, which looks good but is less durable. This brand receives an overall 3-star budget pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.